man, that's back home.
Here we go.
Toronto, this excessive rainfall will cause minor flooding to occur. Some locations
No way.
will experience flooding, including
What is that?
Where's that coming from?
in Valparaiso.
Whoa, my phone.
Cause flooding of small creeks and streams. Country roads normally
Oh my
have
God. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwest Cook County in northeast Illinois, northwest Cook County in northeast Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., National Weather Service radar detected a severe squall line capable of producing tornadoes that may not be visible due to heavy rain, was located near Plainfield and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and 100 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lamont and New Lenox around 10:05 p.m. Homer, Glen, and Mokina around 10:10 p.m. Kinley Park and Dorland Park around 10:15 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Palos Park, Portland Hills, Palos Heights, and Frankfurt Square. Interstate 80 between mile markers 135 and 149. Interstate 55 between mile markers 255 and 268. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 11. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.